Good evening, Ashish and Muthu Kumar. Good evening. Uh, we thought we'll wait for a couple of people more to join in. There were 40 registrations for this event, but nevertheless, because we've passed the time, so I'll start the session. Uh, so let me formally welcome you to this session on orientation of Myswish platform. My name is Samina. I'm the CEO for Ethika Work-Life. So I'll start the session. If you have any questions, you can stop me and unmute yourself and ask, and then we'll close for the day. Okay. So this platform that you see on my screen is already given out to you by your HR. This is called Myswish, and they're different. What we've tried to do with Myswish is bring in all kinds of benefits for you that will help enhance your physical, mental, emotional well-being, and also help you in the management of your insurance benefits as well. So what are the benefits that you have as an individual in this platform, and how you can use Myswish to enhance your physical health, mental and emotional health, and also take care of your insurance benefits? So let's quickly explore this. These are the four modules that we have here, the main features here. But the first one, I'll go through individually each of them. If you have any questions after finishing any module, you can please feel free yourself to either use a chatbot or unmute yourself and ask. So the first one is total health. Now, with total health, you can do everything that you need to do to take care of your physical health. So, right from discounted health screening to free and unlimited doctor consultation support is there for you, available across the year. Now, you can take any number of consultations from doctors. You can either do it in the form of chatting with them, or you can take mobile consultations, and you can also go for second opinions with senior doctors. So, and this is the good news is this is not just meant for you. You can use this for your family members as well, your immediate family members. So currently, we all know that it is a difficult phase and it's not easy to access doctors, hospitals, and clinics today. So this is a feature where you can sit at home and talk to a doctor, consult a doctor if there's anything, any basic queries or medical issues that you have. Of course, this is not a platform for emergencies, as we all understand. So for emergencies and all, obviously we'll have to reach out to a hospital. But any general basic medical help that we require, some initial intervention that you need to know, some consultation that we need to have, you can begin. This can be a very good beginning point where you know what the problem is and you get some perspective on your issue, and then you can take it on with the doctor. So what we're doing through Myswish is taking or bringing the doctors to you. You can't go to them, so you have instant access. Now, for an instant query, immediately if you want to talk to somebody, there is an option called chat with the doctor. When you open this, immediately within a minute you will have a doctor or a general physician available for you to address your basic queries that you may have. As you see here, this loads up, and immediately in a few maybe maximum of 1 or 2 minutes, I'll have a doctor available to chat with me. And you see on the right here, if you see, the doctor is already available. If you can see, there this chat has already begun. And I have an option here on the right side of my screen, which is also giving me a provision to upload any reports that I want to show to this doctor as I'm chatting with them or as I'm talking to them. So it is that way it comes closer to, a real physical consultation. So I can upload my reports here, or X-ray, or whatever I want to upload in a digital format. The doctor can see and chat with me after knowing what my actual problem is. So this is a very easy, very quick and instant access to any doctor. These chat happens with a general physician, an MABS qualified doctor. But if you require, you're not okay with just a chat, but you actually want to talk to a doctor, then you have another provision that says get a call from a doctor, where you can actually click here and you can inform them what specialty of doctor you would like to speak to, and then the customer support team will call you and fix your meeting with the doctor, a mobile consultation meeting with your doctor as per your requirements. So that's also fairly very simple. This is a very, very user-friendly platform, very simple and very easy to understand. So you really don't need to be, taken through each step, but I'll quickly run through the important ones. Now, as you see here, I'm sorry. as you see here, you just have to give your number, and you can here specify your problem very briefly if you wish to. If you do not wish to, then this is not mandatory. You can talk to the doctor when the doctor calls you, but you can also specify in case you want to talk to a specialist, you can specify here your requirement. Okay. So that what once you submit, you get an autoresponder saying that your appointment is confirmed, and then a customer support executive will call you from our team and then align you with a doctor. Okay, according to your convenient time, right? So this is as simple and as easy. For second opinions, again, if there's somebody in your family, or unfortunately you who are diagnosed with a certain medical issue, and you're not sure that it is correct, or maybe you're not sure about a certain treatment that you're undergoing, you want to talk to another doctor and take a second opinion, then that's the provision here. Again, this is free for you, unlimited number of consultations you can take for yourself and also for your family. Then there are a lot of other benefits also that are coming in this platform, which is vision coupons, dental coupons. There is pharmacy discount available for you. Okay, so you see here, you get flat 16% pharmacy discount. So pharmacy discounts is available. Plus you have very interesting platform for knowing everything and anything that you want to know about your system, your body, the various kinds of diseases or symptoms. So instead of going to Google and finding information that probably may not be authentic, and then that probably will turn out usually to something scary, you can actually come to a medical directory which is highly interactive and very interesting and very authentic, because this is being written by the doctors themselves, and this is very beautifully put in. Like these are the various models of the male and female model we have here. You can select any body part about which you want to know, and the symptoms there, the disease, or how do you need to take care of a certain body part, the self care, what are the tests and surgeries recommended if you have a problem in any certain body part. Everything you get to know by the doctors themselves. So likewise, as you're seeing a man model here, a male model here, like that you have an option for a female or a woman model. Then you have a female child, you have a male child. So anybody in the family, you want to know anything at all, you see this is a child. Like this, you can turn it around and select any body part and get to understand about it. Yeah, so this is how this works. Then you also have discounted health screenings available here, almost 20 to 25% discount you get from the outside or the market. So if you need a health checkup, if you need doctor consultations, if you need to buy medicine, everything can be done through this platform. A lot of services are already coming to you free, and the others come to you with heavy discounts. So please go ahead and use it and stay at the top of your health with Total Health. So that's one module that has a bundle of health benefits for you. Now, the next thing that I'm going to talk about is the employee assist, right? Now, this is meant for taking care of your mental and emotional well-being. We all know that 2020 has been a year, which is very unexpected. There is a lot of things that are happening that are beyond our control, and that is resulting, and there is a lot of change in the way we are living our life, we are working and doing all of that. So there is an increased amount of stress and anxiety that all of us are going through, and there are a lot of problems that we are facing, or a lot of challenges, if I may say so, that are coming to us because of our territories right now. So because of the environment that we are living, because of the nature or mode of operations that we are into. So it can be personal problems, it can be work related problems. So it can be parenting problems, because now working parents also have to manage children who are also at home right now. So there can be any, and there are a lot of financial insecurities or concerns people are raising right now. So there can be myriad problems and challenges that all of us are going through right now. At this point in time, it is very important that we have experts in each domain to help us counsel and come out of it. This increased number of stress and anxiety that is resulting because of the challenges that we are facing today will impact our mental health. But it is very important to take care of our mental health. And how do we do that? Counseling is the best way to do it. And counseling, this particular platform gives you just that, access to highly personalized and expert counseling sessions. You have psychologists on board. We have parenting experts for you. We have financial consultants for you. We have legal consultants for you. You can be 100% sure of your confidentiality and privacy being maintained. This is a completely confidential platform. It is an employee counseling support system, that EAP that we call it, Employee Assistance Program. Normally, you see in employee assistance programs, we have only a counselor, a psychological counselor, who will help you with the problems, and he will help you with the way out of the problems. But because there are multiple work life challenges that we are facing today, we have a panel of counseling experts available for you. So in case you have any stress, any relationship issues, or any adjustment issues, focus issues, management adjustment to new schedule issues, you're not able to do that, any kind of challenge that you may have, you can reach out to a psychological counselor. If you have parenting concern or challenge, then you can reach out to a parenting expert. And these are very, very senior experts. Like, for example, parenting experts that I'm on right now, he's somebody, those consultants are people who have touched more than 7,000, 8,000 lives, 8,000 children and parents' lives. So somebody who brings in a lot of experience and will help you, guide you out of your problems, gives you the tips that you need. And all of this is done in a very, very confidential setup. Again, for any financial concerns, your investments, your savings, how to walk through this particular unprecedented time financially strong, all those advice you need, you have a financial consultant to guide you, help you with it. Same way, like you have a legal consultant. So you have a panel of consultant. Depending on the nature of the problem that you or anybody in your family might be going through, you can go ahead and use this platform in complete confidence about the fact that this data or this information that you are sharing with the counselors will not be shared with anybody. Even we will not know what kind of discussion you're doing with the counselors, because this is mobile based, and they will call you directly, talk to you directly, and it will be highly confidential. So that's about it. I'll show you one particular appointment booking. If you have to book an appointment with any of these counselors, how do you do it? Just click on the concerned expert with whom you want to, schedule a counseling session. You'll land up in a page like this, where, for example, this is a psychological counselor page. So everything related to that is listed out here. Like, what are the instances or scenarios in which you can seek for counseling support, or psychological counseling support, to be precise. Then certain blogs that will highlight the difficult situation and how to be strong and have strong mental health. What are the issues yet that you need to tackle, everything. And to schedule an appointment, all you need to do is click at this button here that says request a call back. So click here. A small form will open up, very small, where you will be asked your telephone number, on which the counselor will call you and conduct a counseling session. And there is a comments box where you can enter your problem briefly if you wish. If you don't wish to, you can leave it empty and discuss it directly with the counselor. So once I do that, again, you will get a confirmatory message saying that your appointment is booked. And then immediately, in about an hour's time, you will get a call asking you for a convenient time to schedule this counseling appointment with the psychologist, and accordingly the appointment will be set up, and then you can go on. So you can have a single session if you wish to. If you think in one session you're not able to resolve your issue, then you can consider having multiple counseling session also, and there is no cost at all bear to this, so you can use it without any apprehension of costing and all of that. Generally, any psychological counseling session will cost you anything between 5,000 to 7,000 and 10,000, depending on the experience of the counselors. But here you have unlimited counseling sessions coming your way, completely free, any number of times, and not just for you but for your family as well. So go ahead, please use this, and this is really helpful, because you have very, very seasoned experts and counselors to help you walk out of any challenge or problems that you may be facing. So it is not just when you have a problem that you can reach out to counselor. You're unsure about a certain path, you want to decide what you want to do, you're stuck, you're not able to make choices, then also you can reach out to these counselors and they'll help you take the right decisions. So whether you want to progress further whenever you're stuck in something, you have a challenge and you want to come out of it, for anything that impacts or disturbs you mentally, that problem can be solved by counseling, reaching out to the experts. And here you have a panel of counseling expert based on your problem challenge area or your requirement. You can reach out to the concerned one, right? The other important aspect also in Myswish is insurance benefits. Now, using this module, at the click of a button, you can get to know the kind of benefits that are being offered to you by your employer, your organization, what kind of insurance benefits your company is giving you, what are the, you can see the policy at a glance, what are its coverages, what are its restrictions, everything you will get to see at a click of a button. In cases of emergencies, which hospitals you should go to, which hospitals you shouldn't go to, everything you see here is listed out here. Plus, you can download, instant download of e-cards. You need e-cards anytime, you can just go here, click and download. This you can open on a web, you can open on your mobile, anywhere, and you can download your e-cards whenever you need them. This is one aspect, to see, manage, and know about what your benefits are right now. But in case you want to upgrade your insurance benefits, that also can be done right from here. For example, I'm saying if your company is giving you a 3 lakh policy and you want to top up your existing corporate policy by 2 lakhs, that option is also available here. So top up policy option is available here. Plus, if your company doesn't cover your parents or your in-laws and you want to cover them, then you also can come here and buy those policies for your parents, and everything you can manage through the single platform. So it becomes very easy for you. You don't have to go to multiple platforms to buy insurance and manage them. In this one single platform, you can manage your insurance, you can manage your parents' insurance, you can upgrade your insurance as well. And if you require insurance for specific reasons, like for home you want, or for pregnancy, some people will take. So depending on what your requirements are, there are different kinds of policies available for you. And we have vetted, because our parent organization is an insurance company, so we have vetted the best policies available, and we have brought this to you. So you don't have to do the research. The best ones are available to you with the maximum coverage that is needed for you. Okay, so that's one. Right. So the other thing that is there is very, very important, is another very interesting feature of Myswish is uh, virtual events, right? Before I move to virtual events, one quick point on enrollments. Whenever if you're new or when your policy is renewing and you have to add your wife or newborn children or yourself, your data you want to correct, this is an option for you. You can enroll yourself, correct your data and all. For this, you can also coordinate with your HR and get it done, right? Now moving to virtual events. Now we have planned a host of well-being programs or events for you to ensure that you all stay active, healthy, and positive in these difficult times that we are all in. Considering what kind of challenges we are facing right now, we have designed about 16 wellness events across the month for you. Every month, you get access to 16 wellness events, and that includes regular Zumba, yoga, events on mindful living, events on nutrition, events on immunity boosting, events on ergonomics, events on financial advice, events on parenting. There's so many interesting events to help you with all aspects of your life and to help you stay healthy and happy across this pandemic and also beyond it as well. So it's going to good to go a long way in impacting your physical, mental, and emotional health. So please take advantage of this, participate in these programs that we have specially curated for you all. And we have expert trainers coming in, doctors coming in, and helping you with physical exercises, with workshops, and helping you understand how you can boost your immunity, helping you understand how you can power your financial positions, how you can handle your parenting concerns, how you can make your house ergonomically friendly. If you have body pains and all of that, how do you alleviate all of that so that you're happy and active always while you're working. So that is these are the kind of programs we're doing currently, and this is the process for registering for it. Whenever you every week, you're in advance, on the Saturday or Sunday of every week, you're getting a calendar in your emails, official email IDs, about the events that are going to come in the following week. So weekly wellness calendars is what you're getting right now. So whenever you're interested in any program, you can come here to log into your Myswish tool, click on register here button, and then you will be led to the page C. Like for the upcoming event, for the next week, you have these events: mindful living session, you have parenting session, you have Zumba session, you have yoga session. Whichever event you want to attend, or if you want to attend all of them, you can just select them and submit. Immediately you will get a mail confirming your registration, and on the day of the event you need to revisit this session, revisit Myswish. The link to the session will be activated half an hour before the event. So you need to come back here on the day of the event half an hour before, and instead of a register button, you will see this changing to attend. Once you click that, you will get that Zoom link to the event. You can go and participate, right? So this is how the process works. You also get reminders about the events. We'll send you a 10 minutes reminder message on your mobiles as well, indicating that the event is about to start, so you can plan accordingly and then register and attend for this event. So every week you get a new calendar. Events like Zumba, yoga, mindful living are repetitive. Every week they are done, new sessions are done, because physical exercise, one event a month will not help. They have to be regularly done, only then it will be of some use. So every event, every week we have a Zumba or a yoga session. So whatever suits your personality and your requirement for physical fitness, you can choose that. Plus every week we have some interesting topic like this. The coming week we are having a parenting session. Now every month in the parenting session we cover a new topic, right? Same way we have nutrition session, we have ergonomic sessions. It will be changing every week, so you can, depending on your interest, depending on your concern, depending on your requirement, you can choose which events you wish to attend and be a part of the wellness events. All of these again are coming free of cost to you, without any cost implication. So whether you want to take care of your physical health, whether you want to take care of your mental health, whether you want to take care of your insurance, whether you want to participate in virtual wellness events, for everything, all thing, you need to come to Myswish, your wellness, your very own wellness platform. So anything that you want to do, you can come here. How to use this platform also, you have a video tutorial. What all I've explained right now, it will all be described to you individually, each of the feature. Like so many, I have gone through all the important ones, but if you want to drill down and see how each feature has to be used, then you have these videos here that will guide you step by step. It is a walkthrough through each of the feature and how you can use them as well. So this is primarily about what is Myswish.